Yeah.
King Zuzi.
I'm on this lean, plus I'm fired up. All I wanna do is just get higher. 211, still the ones I die for. Oh, your pussy good, it's to die for. The street life up, secret society. All we ask is trust, all we got is us. I need loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Yeah, yeah. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Yeesh. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. I don't give a damn what a nigga got to say about Gino. Your team captain won't try me cause he know. Run up on the CMB like Nino. Haters, baby, I'm from Clay Street, bro. And I was on the block for the Roosters in Crow. I'm a different type of nigga, man, touching move. Take off on a nigga if you stuff my shoes. Y'all niggas out here trapping for a gold chain. Real nigga power play and get the whole thing. Can't be fucking with you hoes, either must be crazy. Thought bitches having none but Miley babies. So get along, little skeezer. And I'm raising my son, not to fuck with him either. So better go on like Felicia. Crab niggas always asking, can they puff on the diesel? Hell no, this ain't a party pack. Think you need to go and find out where the party at. Niggas dying young, not like ain't no harm in that. Why in with the money, don't know how to act. I can teach you the game, I can show you how to get it, but you gotta wanna get it yourself. I can tell you what it is, but you gotta wanna go and get that knowledge yourself. I'ma go hard for the team, show love long as they show loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. These bitches wanna fucking want love, but they never show loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. I'ma keep giving this game to you, cause that's real. Loyalty,
nigga, that's
loyalty,
real.
Loyalty, 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 loyalty. G shit, I was raised
I seen
with
that loyalty fade, that been stabbed in the back. When I'm alone with the gauge, I like to polish the gap. I like the wick of the money, it even spoke up a pack. Nike box for the pistol, the other one for the racks. And I'm a gangster, stand on 3 L's. Nothing in the whip but pills and the weed smell. Fat boy nigga, they suspended them DLs. Still ride with them, that's a lot of loyalty. Yo, wonder what this shit be my downfall. My nephew, we got pop, put his loyalty off in the wrong spot. I gotta ride with the firearm. Lesson learned, see my brother lose when I bought a 7 churn. I was at my lowest point, couldn't afford to blow a joint. Serving time for a robbery up in the flow, the joint. Couldn't even go to try. Code D was gonna point, couldn't depend on my hoe. She was fucking out of boat. Pants head streets talking, never question that bitch. On some real nigga shit, I never trusted that bitch. That was back in 03, she was going by 06. Give a fuck, the whole hood dropped nothing that bitch. Sean Meeks kept that meal coming in to me. My fucking nigga, he been nothing but a friend to me. Crackers couldn't put an end to me. I'm a monster. Me and Lil Larry with the ripper, that's some youngsters. Saddest letters came from my mama. Overcame the drummer, now my nigga, he we years in the bitch. Fuck about the way this is a woe path, nigga. We ain't got no sympathy for you mock ass niggas. Missions undone, and then I leave Britney with the gun. While that you trying to get it for my sons, cause we done built a castle from crumbs. G shit, remember when we didn't have none, but a whole lot of loyalty, nigga. Club.
Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. 10-4, no switching sides. You friend or foe, you acting different, you don't vibe with me no more. I need loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.